So starting the test drive in this XT5 Platinum here, there are just so many features that are included on this vehicle in particular. As I pull it out of the parking lot there, I even felt the seat belt tighten up to my chest. So it's just every safety feature that was available back then in 2018, just all of the tech and everything. I'm just very pleased with how this was equipped. Now I'm in the all-wheel drive mode now, so I'm gonna test that getting on the interstate here momentarily. But pickup is good, still shifts pretty nicely. I'm sure this was pampered mechanically just based on how nice the interior is, the low miles and all of that. Gonna give it a little pedal here. Here we go. So didn't get to really open her up, but I did almost floor it there. So that just kind of shows the V6 getting up to speed. Still impressive, especially for the age. Let's give it another pull here from 60. And then we'll kind of chill out with that. Setting the adaptive cruise here. Now ride quality wise, this does float down the road, and it's pretty impressive because you still have 20-inch wheels on this vehicle. It's just a nice, subtle ride, very tame, and very quiet from the cabin as well. But again, with this being the Platinum, I just love all the features you have in 2018, having that rear camera mirror here, good picture, having the digital gauge cluster, the middle part, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the built-in navigation, the heads-up display, blind spot monitors, adaptive cruise. This has it all. And this one, I believe, is only $25,000. And again, that includes a lifetime powertrain warranty. I said that on the walk-around portion. But I mean, everything in here is in great condition. The brakes feel good. Overall steering, gas pedal, not hearing anything out of the ordinary. Now I want to give one more thanks to Cadillac of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this XT5 today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home though, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever other pre-owned vehicle you might be interested in. So that pull was from sport mode. I wasn't flooring it, but I just gave it a little something coming out of that corner. I like this powertrain because you don't have a turbo. It still feels good and they're relatively reliable. It's just the V6 and the 8-speed as opposed to some of these newer vehicles having the 10-speed and the 2-liter turbos, which those also have a pretty good track record as well. But for those that are scared of the turbocharger, you still have an option like this. You just have to get a vehicle that's 7-8 years old. But it reminds me of those memes when, like, you'll see a meme that says what a 25-year-old car was when I was growing up to what a 25-year-old car is now. That's kind of what I feel here. I remember from 2008 to 2000 model, like 8 years, that felt like night and day. But here, especially in this Platinum, there's so many features that were ahead of its time that this still feels pretty modern. Even with today's vehicles, the new vehicles all having standard backup cameras and most vehicles having adaptive cruise control, some sort of lane centering technology. This just was ahead of its time. And I hate that GM, in typical General Motors fashion, they had the best technology. They just waited too long to put everything where it was supposed to be. And I see that even with the Dodge Ram interiors, or just the Ram interiors, I guess. When those first came out in 19, Chevy could have competed with that, but it took them this long just to catch up to that interior. And even some would say the Ram interior is still the best interior out of Ford and Chevy, even though they've revamped it several times. So this was just such a great vehicle back when it first came out. It was so ahead of its time with the Platinum. It was a lot of money too, so it made sense, but it had everything that you could imagine, again, in 2018. But I think this is one of those timeless vehicles, especially with this interior, this paint code, and all the features included. So with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2018 Cadillac XT5 Platinum.